Hey guys, so this is another macro video, and today I just got this. This is the Mikaton Zyoptics 55 2.8 1:5 macro. I haven't actually seen the lens, so this is also a unboxing, I guess. Always the same thing. Um, so this is a lens. So this is obviously for GFX mount. I've had one of the lenses before. I'm not really sure which one. It was well made. I like the character, manual focus lens for the GFX. So it was a fun lens. Um, I'm always blown away how they can do this stuff, like for the price that they're, you know, um, asking for these things. So this is I think $400, 2.8, and this is 1:1 all the way to 5:1 macro. So that's crazy. Um, so yeah, I mean this looks solid. It's nice and has a little foot here. You can rotate, screw that in. Pretty impressive. I mean, build quality, super macro, that's for sure. 55 millimeter filter. I'm not sure why I would use a filter on this. Um, and obviously, this is the GFX mount, which sure it's the same. So I'm pretty sure the reason why they made this a 55 is that way it covers pretty much more lenses, full size all the way to the Fuji. And there's one thing this lens comes with. It comes with a little light, a little USB light here. I mean, it's crazy. I don't understand how they do it. I do not understand how they do it. So I guess in order to use this light, I'm gonna have to have a some kind of a power bank or something attached. So this just goes in here, just screws in here. Yep, it does. And then it just, is there anything on here? No, that's just frosted. Like it's a USB light. I mean, 5 times macro. I don't even know. That's crazy town. Um, I'm not really sure how. I'm gonna I'm gonna do a really quick test here, just to see how coverage is and how basic quality is. I'm excited to see this. Okay, USB-C to USB, not USB-C. So let me get a power bank, and then I'm gonna set up. Let me put this on the camera so you guys can get an idea. Okay, so this is the uh, 2035 Fuji, and this is this macro. So it's very, very small and compact. And yeah, it goes right on here. And boom, there it is. So this doesn't even have a focus ring, which makes a lot of sense because at this point you need a sled to just focus this back and forth. Let me just pull this all the way out. How cool. Jesus. Okay. Whoa. This is cool. Okay, that is crazy. That's crazy. I'm also going to see if this is flat field, which let me see if it is. It's impossible to hold this still. Yeah, it's impossible. It's like 5 times macro. Anyway, I'm just gonna set up my tripod here and the sled, and then yeah, I'll just get a couple of shots, and then we'll look at the shots too.
Hey guys, so I'm fast forwarding through this because I wanted to just show you. First of all, this is out of focus, as you guys can see. Just wanted to show you the working distance, which is really good. So this is 1:1. I also didn't have a cable release, which is not a great idea. 2:1. The light is actually really good, and 3:1. At some point, you have to go out a little bit, but the working distance is still really acceptable. Oh, this might already be 5:1. Anyway, so just wanted to show you guys working distance, which is really acceptable. It's great. Yeah, the light works really well too. So let's look at the files.
Okay, so we are in Lightroom here, and I'm gonna look at these really quick. So this is 1:1. As we can see, it's completely. I mean, this is zoomed in at 1250. I'm not sure. There's probably dust on that lens, so that is definitely something to consider. But yeah, it definitely covers. That's not an issue at all. Um, Let me see how I am getting. Oh, let me zoom out here. I'm getting that ring light in here, the reflection. I'm just seeing. I focused on the eyes. I mean, I can bring up the detail here. It's not really. Let me just see clarity. If I wanted to, obviously these files have not been touched, so I'm not even going to get into that. Um, but yeah, this looks pretty. I mean, this is 1:1. This is 2:1. Again, everything's right there. 2:1. I mean, I'm this again. Anything that's out of focus, please. Like I said, I'm an idiot. I should have my adapter for the cable release. I was too excited to shoot this. Everything's covered and looks fine. No problems at all. I mean, very shallow depth of field. Okay, we are getting to 3:1. Let me see. Yeah, obviously it's getting harder to get focus at 3:1. I'm also not sure if anything is starting to look a little fuzzy there. I guess focus is a little behind there. I'm gonna do a more in-depth. This is 4:1. Yeah. Sorry guys, this is it's hard to see that without the camera really being completely steady. This is 5:1. So considering that this is still good, let me see the second shot I took. Yeah, this is still sharp. So I'm just assuming that wow, this is 5:1. Yeah, this is 5:1. So I'm assuming that the other shots are just, human factor. Not the smartest decision to not shoot this with a cable release. Yeah, but this is really impressive. I mean, this is 5:1. At what did I shoot this at? 1250 ISO. So pretty amazing. So let me so yeah, this is just like I said, this was just a really quick uh, look at this lens. Well made, seems to do really well at everything. And yeah, I'm gonna do a comparison with this with the what do I have here? I have the Laowa, the tilt shift, which is really, it's not really fair because that goes to, I think, 2 to 1. Has tilt shift obviously on it, and it's a lot bigger, heavier. Also costs a lot more. And I'm going to compare it to one of my favorite lenses, the TT Artisan 100 2.8, which is like the, bargain macro lens, but it's really only $50 cheaper than this. So this might be, wondering if this is the new king of cheap macro. I mean, obviously for getting really close, you can't beat this because this is crazy. Covers at every setting, even the GFX, no problem at all. Looks pretty cool. And of course, Shure looks amazing. So thanks. Yeah, check in again when I can do a little better test of optical abilities. It seems like that it's pretty much flat field from what I've just saw looking at the table, but I'm gonna look into that as well. I'm not sure how much sense this makes to shoot film because you really don't need, you barely really need, yeah, I mean, you need 1 to 1, maybe, but the TT Artisan does really well for that because it's really flat. So anyway, thanks guys.